Hey everyone, RC here again, doing another unboxing video. This time it is the Propel Endeavor. I have been waiting for this board for way too long, so I am very excited. COVID delayed everything, and this board is like 2 months late. I actually canceled my order because I was so impatient, but you know they said it was going to come here pretty quick, so I'm just very happy that it arrived. So let's get this thing unboxed. This is a nice solid aluminum charger. What is this, 5 amp? Yep, 5 amp charger. It's a little, it's definitely larger than your other charger for the Express, but it is still made of aluminum. Side here. With the power cord, the charger. I don't think much is in this box. Plastic bag magnets. Okay, so first and foremost, this deck is absolutely gorgeous. Now, there have been a lot of videos out there on unboxing the Endeavor, and there should be. The craftsmanship on this board is just simply amazing. Where's my remote? That would be a problem. So inside of the foam, there are these little cubby holes, which your remote's in, because I was having a freak out moment there for a minute. I didn't think I had a remote. I think it comes with yeah, there we go. So the belts and the remote and everything's in here. So enough unboxing videos. I should have known that, but I was kind of very concerned there for a second. So it looks like it comes with a manual, which this is great, because on the Express, I got the original Express 2020 model way back when, and that guy right there, and it did not have a manual in it. It did not have any instructions or anything, so I'm very happy that this is included. The manual was also included on the Propel Express, the 2021 version. So yes, thank you Propel for getting this manual out there. People need to know how to take care of their boards. So there's not really much in the box. You have your charger, your power cord, your USB-C cable. Thank you for upgrading that. And then Allen wrench and a wrench, and then a couple of belts. So thank you for the replacement belts as well. I'm very happy that the remote has been upgraded to, and it feels actually really comfortable in your hand. It's really comfortable. These notches here just make it super, and I've got really small hands. I like how the screen is right on top of it. In terms of weight, it is definitely lighter than the Express. Like I said earlier, the craftsmanship, I like how they have serial numbers on the board. That just shows that they're taking this very seriously. This is more of a vehicle, and Propel is an electric vehicle company, so that really sets them apart from the competition. Their engineers and their staff they're very serious. I'm not here to sell the board. I'm just here to share my unboxing experience. If I could, I would purchase Propel and make it my own company, because I do believe that they are going to be the leader in e-skate. So the wheels here, oh, they're a little inflated. I need to pump those up. They probably did that for shipping purposes. Make sure we got here nice and safe. Probably aluminum enclosure to make it safe on weight. I did not get the light package, which I wasn't sure if it came with the board or if I had to order it separately. So yeah, we'll order that, because I do really want to put lights on here. So yeah, this is it. This is the Propel Endeavor. Let's pick it up here. Oh. It reminds me of the Kaylee, and the reason why it reminds me of the Kaylee is the attention to detail. So the Kaylee board and what Ernesto has done with with the look of that board is reflected in this board. So I'm very happy that the engineers are just not pushing out a product that looks like everything else. Their design team is pushing out something that looks really classy, that is very functional. It's very exciting to see companies pushing the envelope and advancing technology while making a great product, instead of just making clones of a board that everybody's already done and just bigger motors. This is a completely different design, and this is what we need to advance e-skate into a different realm. These are really vehicles that need to start to look more like vehicles and perform more like vehicles to secure us as a sport and secure to allow the law system in every single country for us to be able to ride on these vehicles. And that is our only path to success. So thank you, Propel, for creating this wonderful piece of goodness. And this is just outstanding. Check out my videos. These are, so I'm hoping that this will perform as well or better than those, because this is significantly lighter, and I'm looking forward to bringing those experiences to everyone. There will be videos on this board, so look for those soon. Check out my channel. I've got a lot of X4S videos on there. I've got a lot of videos period on all my boards. Definitely subscribe, like and subscribe if you like, and we'll be seeing you soon. Thanks.